going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. As y'all can tell by the title, we got a new steering wheel, but as y'all can see, something crazy going on. It's not raining, but the windshield wipers are on. So we installed the steering wheel wrong, and it just fucked everything up. So but we better go get it fixed, because obviously we don't know what we're doing. I didn't install it. I had a buddy install it for me, and he pretty much fucked it up. I ain't gonna lie. So now nothing works. See this? None of my buttons work. None of this works. I can't turn the wipers off. It was low-key embarrassing, I ain't gonna lie, but we better go get that fixed right now. Hopefully they can fix it. Hopefully I don't need a new clock spring. Yeah, so I'll see y'all when I get up there. All right, guys, as y'all can see, we are back. And the steering wheel, like, it's working. Like, the LEDs is working and stuff like that. We got the horn working. The windshield wipers stopped. Yeah, that works. Blinkers work. Only thing that's not working is the M1, M2 buttons, and that's because we need a new harness, basically. So nothing too major. I'm just glad that the windshield wipers stopped and my horn and everything else is working. But here's the LEDs, man. Yeah, we still got the reduced driver assistance message popping up. But yeah, as soon as we get that, the harness in, all that should be straightened out. But how do y'all like the LED steering wheel, man? Let me know, let me know. Don't know how long I'm gonna keep it. I might get tired of it soon and just go with the Alcantara one. And I should probably get some directions going. And look at that, chat. An hour and 19 minutes to get home. I don't think I like the colors on here. I wonder if you could change it. Probably should have asked that. But yeah, if any of y'all live in the Atlanta area, y'all know going, or really coming from Alpharetta, and you wanna go anywhere south of this, it's the fucking worst. And my car is a mess, I know. Look, y'all, it got so bad, we thought we were gonna have to solder the wire, so I bought a freaking soldering iron. I wasn't about to do that, obviously, but yeah. And also, while we were there, we picked up some new goodies. I'm gonna be installing those and showing y'all that in a later video. But I'm gonna hit y'all back when we get on the highway. I about missed so many turns just trying to get to the highway. But yeah, how's everybody's day going, man? I hope everybody good. And I just uploaded a good video of I let my friend who was on Trackhawk go drive my M4. So y'all should probably go check that out, man. It's a funny reaction. Well, yeah, let's get it. How it starts blinking red. I thought it was supposed to do that when you redline. I wasn't nowhere near redlining. Oh god. Car feels a little wobbly, wobble. Stacking my paper in my wallet like I'm a face up. Y'all don't know about that Big Sean. Wait, who said that? Yeah, Big Sean. Wobble dee, wobble, stacking my paper. What y'all know about that? Y'all might be too young for that. Y'all don't know about that. Y'all don't know about that. Minutes coming through. Everybody get the fuck out of the way. I'm strongly considering taking off my Burbers. They starting to get a wee bit annoying. Not gonna yeah. Y'all gonna see some monstrosity. I don't even know what the freak. That's what I get for trying to use big words. I was about to say y'all about to see some atrocious traffic, but I tried to mix monstrous. I don't know. I didn't go to college. Well, I went to college, but I dropped out. If y'all didn't know about S58B, your boy dropped out. Because if you ain't getting like, it's only like 5 degrees that I feel like it's worth going to school for. If that's your like, unless you like want to be a teacher and that's your like your passion, you always dream to be a teacher or something like that. But if you just want to make money, I don't recommend going to college. So much other shit. I mean, if you do go to college, it's only like 5 degrees I would choose if you just want to make money. Other than that, go get a trade. Be a plumber, start your own business. Be an electrician, start your own business. Even if you don't start your own business, you're still making 6 figures. Be a barber, that's a trade. HVAC, holy shit. Boy, when I tell you I thought that was the police getting in this car about to come chase me. Oh, y'all know that taste in your mouth? Pause. But yeah, that just left a bad taste in my mouth, not gonna lie. That's the next thing we buying. I'm buying all these other shits. We need a radar detector. I used to love STIs, chat. I still do. But back when I wasn't making the money that I'm making now, that was like an obtainable dream car of mine. Everybody get the fuck out of my way. I'm trying to make a video on the highway. Oh no, the R8. What happened? Y'all didn't know I had it like that. Y'all don't cook me. I know that shit was weak as fuck, but it felt so much cooler in real life. But I don't know. Yeah, I said it a lot, y'all. I do not like cutting up, because I used to do that shit a lot when I was like younger. I'm 25 now. So back when I didn't even have like a fast car like this, I used to cut up like a motherfucker, y'all. My dad had a, well, he still has it. He has a 2012 Mustang manual. I used to get busy in that shit, chat. Like busy. Manual. I want nobody doing it like me. Woohoo! Feeling good, chat. And with all these new flock cameras and stuff, y'all, I'm trying to like do the best I can and coming up with different ideas within pertaining content wise. Cause these flock cameras, y'all, some serious. Some sirs. The Corvette. To all my G80 owners out there and G82 owners, can y'all believe? I feel like our biggest beef, our biggest rival is Corvette niggas. Specifically the C8 Corvettes. They love to call our car, fuck, holy shit. They love to call our cars regular traffic. But I can go a week maybe weeks, sometimes weeks in Atlanta without seeing another G80 or G82. I can't go a day without seeing a C8. Like, I can't go a day. And then I just got back from LA the other day. They were like regular cars up there as well. There might as well have been Toyota Corollas up there. Speaking of LA, I saw more Porsches than I saw Toyota Camrys. Yeah. What the fuck you got flying out your truck? Eesh. I hate when my car does that. It scares the shit out of me. Cause I be thinking it's gonna stop on its own. But yeah, man, I saw an SVJ. I don't think I've seen an SV in person, but I've never seen an SVJ. And I might have lied. Have I seen an SVJ out here? I've seen some crazy shit out here. Like, Atlanta's not a bad place for the car scene, but obviously it ain't nowhere near LA. But you know, I was seeing Ferraris and Lambos left and right, and McLarens too. Oh god. But Porsches, bro, niggas love they Porsches. Oh, here goes the traffic. How long we been going? 8 minutes. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna hit y'all back when we get out of the traffic. Alright, chat, we are back. Just got out of all that traffic. And talking to my boy Tez. Shout out to boy Tez. We always have good combos. But yeah, I was asking him about why does it light up red when I'm only at 5,000 RPMs, but it's because my car is tuned. So I basically got to recalibrate this shit. And I don't know. But I hope you can change the colors on this shit. Because the green and red, I don't like that. Not gonna lie. And I wonder if it's one of these buttons, but I ain't touching shit right now. Fuck that. Lost my I had all this adrenaline earlier. That's why I was kind of making them cuts. Kind of lost it. I'm still doing a little sometime. It ain't like I feel. Should I do it? See, if I had my adrenaline earlier, I probably would have made that cut. But fuck that. Do something, brother. See, like it's blinking. Stop doing that. It's the worst traffic to cut up in. Car, are you okay? Because that did not feel normal. Ugh. I finally got, I just got a bunch of stuff for the car, y'all. But I finally got a skid plate. After a year of having a car, ain't that crazy? And miraculously, nothing has happened to my oil cooler. That ain't nothing but God. How did you? Anything like I feel. It's that Brent Faiyaz chat. That Brent Faiyaz Hill. That was a bug on me. Woo! That thing pulling. But I'm not gonna lie, chat, this is gonna be the end of the video. My head hurts from this head mount. And I'm low-key getting a migraine. But if y'all enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Peace!